Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Creations by Shanda. Today's video will be a giveaway. Now, if you saw my last tutorial, I shared with you how I made my crafty kid cups. And if you haven't seen it yet, you may want to go and watch that video and see if this is a giveaway that you would be interested in entering. I will put the link to the video in the description for you below. And here's what they look like. And I'll show you everything that will come in what you'll win. So I made these crafty kid cups, and they have all kinds of activities for kids during the holidays. There's a Dear Santa letter in there, and an activity page, some Play-Doh, an ornament that you can decorate, and a coloring book. And so this is what it looks like. Now, the winner of this giveaway will receive a box of supplies that will make 6 crafty kid cups. And you can make 6 of them for your craft fair if you do craft fairs, or if you have grandkids or kids, or you know, some children that you like to make things for the holidays. This would be great for that. So here is the box. It's a little rough because I had to take my label off of there. Everything you need will be in the box except for the mini cookie cutters, and I apologize, I completely ran out of those, and they aren't necessary to make the cups, but if that's something that you definitely want to include, then you could purchase them from Amazon, and I'll be happy to share that link with you in the description also. Now, to enter the giveaway, I ask that you would like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment with the word enter somewhere in the comment. And as always, please be 18 years or older, and this will be for US only. I'm so sorry. And I'll come back on Wednesday, August the 26th to pick a winner. So let me show you real quick what comes in the box. You're going to get 6 things of Play-Doh. Now, I only had 3 left, so I had to go to Walmart and buy 3 more. So that's okay. But everything else I already had, like all the supplies. So you're going to get 6 of these ice cream cups. And then I've already packaged up all the stickers that you'll need. The only difference in here with the foam stickers is that I ran out. I only had 5 Santas, so I included an extra polar bear. So one of your cups will have 2 polar bears and a reindeer. So that's also a difference. And here's the trees that go on the front of the cup. Got the wood ornaments in here. And then there are 6 packs of crayons. I've made these to and from stickers for you, the sticker labels. I've also used my scallop punch because, you know, I didn't know whoever wins this might not have a scallop circle punch. So I went ahead and punched out 6 of those. There are 6 paint brushes for the paint with water color page. There are 6 coloring books, and then there are sticker sheets in here behind. There's 6 of those. And then you'll need the clear bags to package them. And then this little package here has the envelopes with the address to the North Pole already on there. And the Dear Santa letters. And then in the back is the paint with water color sheets. So everything you need is in there except for those mini cookie cutters. And so, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this giveaway. And be sure to leave your comment if you want to enter. And I'll be back on Wednesday to announce a winner. I hope you all having a wonderful weekend. And I will see you back here on Wednesday.